I would start off with good morning, but oh my gosh, it came a storm last night. We're fixing to go out and look and see what happened, but during the night, the wind got up and it picked up the little thing I had covering the generators, that white thing. I had it bungee corded to the post and this little shelf that I got. And that little shelf's heavy. It had a bunch of tools and stuff on it. It picked that thing up, the wind did, and 3 times. I went out 3 times last night, and the last time finally it was pouring down rain. I got soaked, and I just threw a tarp over the generators because they were getting soaked. And put a bunch of heavy stuff on top of it, but yeah. Oh, let's go look. Yep, this is the view from my door this morning. So I can't get down the steps, so I get out here and get it all cleaned up. But yeah, see them shelves that it pulled over, and the last time I came out here and fixed it, I just hooked it to one of them so it'd be low, and I piled all them tools back in it, and it's still turned over. But yeah, well, just thought I'd show you guys what a lovely time I'm fixing to have today. But talk to you later. Bye.